Whose family are we going to meet today? Honu's! Honu is 4 years old. He lives with his mum and cat, Katini, in a town by a river. He often visits his grandparents who live close by.
Yay! Let's do the Lulu dance. Ready?
I wonder what they're up to today. Honu's at his grandparents' house. He's making a special breakfast with his mum.
Time to make the pancake!
Not too much at first. Pour it right in the centre. Just let it all...
Looks like Honu has made pancakes before.
We've got to wait for it to bubble a little bit more.
One side done. Time to flip and do the other.
So 1, 2, 3, flip.
1, 2, 3, flip!
Looks good, doesn't it? Just see if this one's ready. Do the same.
1, 2, 3, flip!
There we go. They look good, don't they? Excellent. Great. Mind the bowl. Put it on top of the other one. Wow, you're looking forward to eating these. That will be the strangest shaped pancake I've ever seen.
1, 2, 3, flip!
Hey.
Pancakes are so yummy.
Can you count how many pancakes we've made?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So how many?
7.
7. Put this one on the pile.
The pancakes are ready.
Pancake time!
Ding, 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 ding.
I think Granny and Granpapi are hungry.
What one do you want? Just have this one for now.
A tiny sprinkle of sugar and a squeeze of lemon. Honu's perfect pancakes.
Excellent pancakes.
I have to say, they're very good.
Oh, it just leaves one question. Who's going to do the washing up?
You, Mummy.
Grandpapi wants Honu to help him build a game.
Right, you know what we're going to make today?
Splat the Rat.
Splat the Rat. Do you know what the first thing I'm going to do to make the Splat the Rat?
A hole.
Got to cut a hole out. This is so that we can see the rat coming down the pipe, isn't it? Follow along the square, that's it. Right, that's going to be the hole. Do you think that's in the right place?
Yeah, it is in the right
Yeah?
place.
All we've got to do, cut it out a little.
The saw is very sharp, so Grandpapi has to help Honu.
That'll do for that, I think, Hon. I'm going to turn this over and do the other bit. Want to hold the pipe, keep it steady?
Yeah.
You tell me when I've got to the line, huh?
You're at the line.
Good.
There's a spider in here.
You'll have to make way for the rat, Mr. Spider. That's probably scared the spider away. Hole cut. Time to paint.
Paint it all over, nice and neat.
Oh, whoops.
Try not to spill it, Honu.
That's it. Nearly done?
Yeah.
Good job.
Yep.
What else do we need to go down the pipe?
A rat.
A rat. You twist it.
I've never seen a rat being made before.
It's going to be a black rat. Splat the black rat. Can you say that quickly?
Splat the black rat.
Oh, well, very good. That'll be good.
Why did you do that?
His ears. That looks more like a bat, doesn't it? Splat the bat.
Yeah! Splat the bat.
Time to put the Splat the Rat, or bat, game together and test it.
Right. As the rat comes out of the tube, you stop it like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
You've got to try and stop it, okay? Tell me when.
Go.
This.
Missed it.
Right. You tell me when.
Go.
Missed again.
I stopped it.
You missed it.
I wonder if Mum can do any better. No, the rat's too fast for Mum.
It's a good rat. It's got ears.
It's a bat.
Bat.
It's a bat.
Come on, bat. Come and get it. Go. Ah, yeah.
Splat! Grandpapi has got the bat.
When it's not Splat the Rat, it's Splat the Bat.
Splat the bat. Right.
How about Granny?
Escaped. You escaped. Do you want to push it through this hole?
Oh, you're doing a half one.
Yay!
The rat, or bat, has definitely gone splat. Honu and Mum are going strawberry picking. Look who's waiting for him. It's his friend Jacob.
Jacob! Honey!
Let's go and get our boxes.
Strawberry!
Remember to pick the nice red ones because they'll be ready to eat.
Have a look in and see what you can find.
This is a really, really good red one.
That's a nice big one, Honu.
What's on that? Look at mine. Look at mine, Honu.
Oh, good boy. Pop it in there then.
They're very juicy, these are.
Take these big red ones. Pull them gently. Careful not to bruise them. Should we get some for Granny and Granpapi as well?
Yeah.
That is the biggest strawberry I think I've
Oh
seen.
my goodness. Look.
Honu, I melted it. Look at this one I've got.
Wow, the strawberries keep getting bigger and bigger.
Big, isn't it?
And some of them are funny shapes.
That's it. Good boy.
And look at my one's got the crown.
Wow. Look at your mucky hands. Turned pink like a strawberry, haven't they? Just like your face as well. Right. Have we got enough strawberries?
Time to pay for them
Grab your strawberries.
and head back to Granny and Grandpappy's house. In the garden summer house, Grandpappy has a great idea for all those strawberries.
Make a cocktail for Granny. Yes?
A cocktail is a drink made from different ingredients. This one is fresh strawberries and orange juice.
Orange. Good boy. Strawberry for Granny. What about muddling it up? Do you want to have a go at that? Squash them all in.
Squish, squash, Honu.
That looks good. Push hard.
And he's already got a straw.
She's got two now.
Yeah.
Should we put our cocktail glasses on before we have a drink?
I want my pineapple one.
Pineapple ones.
Wow, those glasses really are something special.
Granny, would you like a cocktail?
Wow, who made this?
Honu and myself.
What's in my cocktail?
Strawberries.
Strawberries and
Orange juice.
Orange juice. Cheers again. That's the way we do it.
oh, that is lovely. That is a super duper cocktail.
Not bad, is it?
Better than Grandpappy's.
I'm finished.
Well done.
Honu loves his face paints, and today he's using them on Granny.
That's a pretty one. How about this one?
Yeah.
Got lots of pretty colours in it as well.
Yeah, we'll start there.
We'll start with that one. Okay, I'm ready.
How about a nice bit of yellow to start?
This way, just.
This one, just this one. I think that's probably the one in the picture.
Honu uses a soft bit of sponge to dab the face paint on. The pictures show which colour goes where.
This time I need some black.
Do you want to do the black with the paintbrush or the sponge?
We have to do it with the sponge and the paintbrush.
Now Granny's getting eyebrows. Or one big eyebrow.
Yes, okay.
I haven't done the details.
The details.
Granny has to keep very still. I'm not sure Honu is sticking to the picture anymore.
I think you're just making this up as you go along, aren't you?
Yes.
I thought so. Blue.
Yeah. Hold still.
I can't hold still, you're making me laugh.
What?
Because you're making me all different colours.
Let's put some glitter on.
Now Granny gets a bit of sparkle.
Right. I think maybe we're done, do you?
Yeah.
But is it my turn to do you now?
Granny's turn to paint Honu. He wants to look like a robot.
You've got to sit very still.
I can't. I'm so excited.
Just half a face is green. Ooh.
Oh, that's freezing cold.
Is it? Under your eye and down here. There we are. Oh, this is a funny robot. Dot, dot, dot. There. Oh, it's a fierce robot. I'm frightened. Well, that's you done. What should we do now?
Faces painted. Honu and Granny dress up and put on a show.
Oh dear. Funniest.
And Mum gets a surprise too.
Very good.
Let's do the Lulu dance. Ready?
I wonder who we're going to meet next time on Our Family.